Hey, in this exercise, we're working on switching chords on an offbeat. Here's what it looks like. So if you want some help getting cozy with some syncopated chord changes, then go grab your guitar and just follow along. I've had many students who have started taking lessons from me after years of learning on their own, like many of you right now. But a very common thing I see with these students is they tend to avoid changing chords on an up strum when the chord change happens on an offbeat. It's like they need every chord change to happen with a down strum. And rather than just setting and forgetting this windshield wiper strumming arm, they'll do a lot of random strums before and after the chord change to compensate. And if you're strumming that way, it's going to make your playing sound really clunky and stiff. So in this exercise, we're going to be doing 3 different chord progressions designed to help you get comfortable switching chords on an up strum. And by the end of the video, you should be feeling pretty comfortable switching chords wherever the music takes you. So here's what the first chord progression looks like at our goal speed of 120 beats per minute. You'll hear this type of chord change happen all the time. It's really common. We're starting our first chord on beat 1, but all the other chord changes are going to happen on the up strum right before beat 1. And then after the chord change happens, we're going to skip the first down strum so that you end up doing 2 up strums in a row. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down. Or with the counting. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 2. We're going to play it 2 times in a row, starting at 60 beats per minute and working our way up to 120 beats per minute. The second chord progression is basically just the 2 syncopated chord changes that happen in Blitzkrieg Bop by the Ramones. Here's what it looks like at our goal speed of 160 beats per minute. In this one, we're going to be using power chords, and we just need A5, D5, and E5. We're going to build A5 off of this A on the 6th string 5th fret. There is a D in the 5th fret on the 5th string, so that's close by. We can just play D5 right here. And then to get E5, we're just going to slide this over to the 7th fret. A5, D5, and E5. If you did want to use this to practice some open chords, you could use A major, D major, and E major instead, and it will still work with what we're doing. It just won't sound that cool. This one might be a little more challenging because it's got 2 chords in one measure, so you'll have to do a quicker chord change. The first measure is all just A5. The second measure is split between A5 and E5, switching on the second up strum. And then it goes back to a full measure of A5. And then you do the same rhythm as the second measure, just between E5 and A5. For this exercise, we're going to play the chord progression 2 times in a row, but we're going to start at 80 beats per minute and work our way up to 160 beats per minute in order to prep you for the actual song if you want to learn it. And the last chord progression is inspired by Learning to Fly by Tom Petty, which is my go-to song for teaching this concept because you end up doing the syncopated chord change like 100 times through one round of the song, so you get used to it pretty quick. I'm not sure how copyright works with all of this, so I switched a few chords around just to play it safe. Here's what it looks like at our goal speed of 120, which is the tempo of the Tom Petty song. chord changes happen in the same place as the last exercise, but this time you don't get a full measure to regroup and plan ahead, so it's just constant. You have to just keep going. Down, up, this, up, down, up, this, up. Or with the counting. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Also keep in mind that there's a lot of pivot fingers in this one. If you do E minor like this, you can keep your middle finger down while you go to C. And then to play A minor, you're just moving this finger. And then to play D7, you can anchor your pointer finger down and move these. Since the chord progression is only 2 measures long, we're going to play this one 4 times in a row, starting at 60 beats per minute and working our way up to 120 beats per minute. All right, well, let's get started. Feel free to pause the video and try each of these out at your own speed a few times, and when you're ready, hit play. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Nice work. If you need to take a break and you're liking this video, feel free to like this video. It really helps me and YouTube know that you want more exercises like this. Thanks. You're the best. All right, here's exercise number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. nice work. Let's move on to round 3. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready? Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. Hey, you made it! Woohoo! Well, if you can get comfortable with these exercises, it's going to go a long way to making your guitar playing sound more mature, less stiff. Now go see if you can learn Blitzkrieg Bop by the Ramones or Learning to Fly by Tom Petty. Just keep in mind that if you look at 10 different tabs for a song, you're going to get 10 different ways of playing it. So just use your best judgment and don't worry about the small details. Like I said, I'm not sure what the legalities of me posting videos showing you how to play copyrighted songs are, but I'm pretty sure I'm legally allowed to show you how to play all sorts of copyrighted songs in private lessons. So if you want some help learning some songs or just need some personalized feedback on anything else, use this email and hit me up for some private online lessons. It'd be fun. All right, well, that's going to be it for this exercise. If you got some use out of this video and you're still here, you want to support the channel with the least amount of effort possible, here's some buttons you can click. Clicking buttons really shows me and YouTube that you want more exercises like this one. So it goes a long way for me and YouTube. And it'll make you cool. All right, see you next time. Bye.